How to use masking effects in Capcut PC. Import the two videos you want to combine. Drag one of the videos onto the timeline as a layer. Select the layer you just add. Make it a duplicate layer of it. Select the duplicate video clip. Go to remove background option from right side. Then click on auto removal. Now select the main video clip. Then go to mask option from right side. Select horizontal mask and position the mask over the area you want to reveal or hide. Rotate the split mask 90 degrees to create a vertical split effect. Now place the playhead where you want to animate the mask. Click on position keyframe from right side. Slowly move the masking line to the right to start the reveal. Continue moving to the end of the video like this. Capcut will automatically insert keyframes as you move the masking line, ensuring a smooth transition. Now insert the second video under these two layers. That's it, an easy way to use masking effects in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.